What are the scariest two notes in film music history? In fact, scrap that. What are the two scariest notes in music history? What do you think of when you hear this? Sharks. You think about sharks. This is the main theme and recurring leitmotif from the 1975 film Jaws, with music by John Williams. Think about this music and image association for a moment. Not only do we think about the sharks in Jaws, but we could even argue that this music has become associated with an entire species outside of Hollywood. Go to any aquarium that has a shark exhibit and sit there for an hour, and I would put money on you hearing somebody humming the two-note leitmotif at some point. Let's take a look at a longer excerpt of the leitmotif, seen here as a piano reduction, and then let's also consider how the title of this video was cheating, just a little bit. Yes, there are 3 notes in the extended version of the leitmotif. The extract everyone always hums has the repeated semitone leap seen at the start of the excerpt, but Williams creates even more unease by inserting a 3rd note into the pattern, disrupting it. Furthermore, this disruption is accented and occurs on a weak beat on each occasion. In a bar of 4, the strong beats are seen as 1 and 3, with the weaker beats being 2 and 4. This additional note happens on 2 and 4 each time, so it feels even more unsettling. John Williams' leitmotif wasn't expected to be so prominent in the film, but due to repeated mechanical faults with the model shark, the music is often heard when the shark isn't on screen. Therefore, the music is the shark in many scenes, and the menacing nature of the leitmotif ensures that the audience are immediately reminded of the horror that lurks beneath the surface of the ocean. There is even one sequence where the lack of music gives the audience a clue about a scene before the on-screen characters have realised what's happening. Many people are seen swimming in the ocean close to the shore when a shark fin appears in the scene. However, the menacing music is not present. Therefore, we can assume that it's not the real shark. This turns out to be true, and it's 2 children fooling around with a fake shark fin. Director Steven Spielberg thought Williams was joking when the composer first presented his ideas, but he later admitted that the score was clearly responsible for at least half of the success of that movie. So, is this the scariest 2 notes in film music history? Is it the scariest 2 notes in music history? Let me know in the comments below if you think there are scarier examples.